In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use VSTACK and HSTACK functions here in Google Sheets. Now, these functions literally mean vertical stack and horizontal stack. So you're going to be stacking them vertically or horizontally depending on what kind of layout you want for your data set. Now, for this first example, what I'm trying to do would be to vertically stack these tables right here. So let's get started with our formula. Start with your equal sign. Type in VSTACK or select it right here, then select the ranges that you want to stack on top of each other. So we're going to start with this one, and for this table, I'm going to include the header because this one is going to be at the top, then comma, and for the second range, no need to add the header, or it's totally up to you what you're trying to do with your data set, comma, and for our last range, do the same thing, select, then press enter. And here we have our data set vertically stacked on top of each other. Now let's make our header stand out by just putting it in bold. And there you have it. Now you can easily get the sum of this now that it's vertically stacked, or do whatever you want to do to your data set. Let's move on to our HSTACK. Now for the HSTACK, let's say you want to do the opposite. Now you want to compare your data set side by side. So this table is arranged vertically and we want to put it horizontally. Let's start with our formula. Start with the equal sign, type in HSTACK or select it right here. Then select your range, like so, comma, select your next range. Now I'm selecting this space right here because after this, we're going to be adding a header for each table. And when you're done, just press enter. And there you have it. Now this is in our formula. Now we're just going to copy it and paste it on the same space. But we're going to do paste special and do values only. And there you have it. So if we try and copy this one and paste it, nothing will happen to our data. And there you have it. So we've successfully used our VSTACK and HSTACK functions here in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.